Hey guys, Dr. Anthony Gustin here. Just wanted to give you a quick tip on what type of vegetables you should be eating on a ketogenic diet. So this can be very confusing because people go, well, what are the carb contents of the vegetables? Should I be eating this or that? It's a really simple way to look at it. Okay, so I'm gonna give this to you. How easy can you eat this vegetable raw? Okay, and so if you can eat it super easily, raw, then eat more of that thing. And so breaking this down a little further, the easiest thing to eat raw, and a lot of people forget this as a vegetable, the most nutrient-dense things that you can eat as vegetables are herbs. So herbs and spices, so for instance, if you have a bunch of cilantro, chop that thing up and throw it in a salad. Next would be all the other things that go in a salad. So then you're looking at, leafy greens, spinach, arugula, kale, things like that. Unlimited amounts. Eat all that stuff that you can. So you can just gobble on that stuff super easily. You can chew it up really easily when it's raw. Then we're starting to go into some other vegetables. So for instance, we get into carrots, we get into cabbage, we get into some of these other ones. You can still eat them raw for sure, but you have to really chew them through and they're a lot harder. Then we go to other ones like potatoes. You're gonna eat a raw potato, right? And so when we have the spectrum, we have a way easier way to look at what vegetables you really should be eating. Eat more of the ones that you can eat easily raw and don't eat any of the ones that you can't eat raw. And then just go towards that. And so that's a really easy way to think about what vegetables you should be eating on a ketogenic diet. So I know there's gonna be some outliers, so if you guys have any questions or concerns about your favorite vegetables, pop them in the comments below or send me a DM on Instagram. I answer every single one of them, so it's just at Dr. Anthony Gustin. And hopefully this video was helpful, and we'll see you guys next time.